This is a flight test Goblin twin motor setup. SZ2306 1950 kV MEPS motors, Mamba stack, Mamba F722 APP stack. On the top, Walk Snail Avatar GT. Normally, as it is with a coffee launch, you basically just launch full throttle, launch, stick it into return to home. It'll return to home and loiter above your head. Flying wings have a tendency to torque roll when you're powering them from one motor. So with this setup, you should be able to launch vertically in a VTOL mode, VTOL tailsitter setup in INAV, and should be able to launch vertically. I'm hoping that the position hold works. What I would like to do is get the position hold to work while in hover tailsitter mode. I'm hoping that the position hold works. Position hold wasn't working for me the last time.